Debugging a race condition is the worst in Bubble and everywhere else. They're awful because they don't behave consistently. You run the app twice and you're going to get different results. Sometimes it'll work perfectly and sometimes it'll just not work at all. A lot of these are caused in workflows by actions not running synchronously, which people think they run synchronously. Even if you're an experienced developer and you know better, you tend to think that the second thing will be started after the first thing finishes, which is not true in workflows. There's tons of different strategies to force your actions to run in sequence, but even with that, you might still run into race conditions. Issue yesterday where a loop was creating an item and then adding it to a field on a list, and the problem was it was adding on top of itself because the loops were going so quick together that it was erasing things that had previously been added. It's not to be a problem if you're using a self-recursive loop, but if you're scheduling a workflow on a list, then you have to be really careful about the time between each action so that you don't have this problem. Put a couple of microseconds in there and it might help. Also, build a really robust logging system so you know exactly what's happening and when and in what order.